Hi there, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to always win on tournaments on Monopoly Go. First, of course, let's open Monopoly Go over here. And by the way, I just want to let you know, guys, that tournaments aren't fixed events. They're not daily events, they're not objectives on a daily basis. They're actually random spawn events, okay? So you can see tournaments on the left side of your screen over here. Sometimes they look like this. However, as of now, these are deals that you can buy at a lower price and then get money or rolls in Monopoly. That being said, I want to let you know, guys, that if ever you stumble upon a tournament, please take note of the steps that you want to take note, okay? So you can get the most out of it. So first thing is, of course, get more points when you land on Railroad. That being said, these are the railroads. You have four, in fact, in one board. As a normal Monopoly board, you have four railroads. And then, with this one, please make sure, I'm not saying that do everything you can to land on those railroads, because actually it's a very hard to get one. It's a really random dice, right? So let's just say, for this one, I'm gonna dice it over there. As of now, as you can see, I'm not landing on any railroads. I just passed one right there. So one of the things I want you to take note is landing on railroads will get you the most out of the tournament. It will help you win. It will get you the most prizes, cash, dices, whatever you want there. Okay. And then next one is, of course, I have two options here. I want to let you know that if you land on each of those railroads right there, you have two options: either bank heist over this one, or shutting down an opponent. Now I actually can't show you right now because I haven't landed on a railroad yet. That being said, I have a photo here. Let me just go back on the Safari. Now this is what you call shutting down an opponent. Now once you land on the railroad, you either get a bank heist or shutting down someone. As you can see here, you choose one of the player's buildings and then choose it to break it down. Now, before you choose everything here, please note that there should be a friend section around here on the lower bottom part of this section. Click on it and then choose the one that is your friend that is leading the tournament. Again, take note that attack someone that is leading the tournament so you can take them down and then you to rise up. That is shutting down tournament. And then the next one is bank heist. Of course, this is what you should expect when you're going on the bank heist on the tournament side. As you can see, it says Joanne's Bank. You can also change this one to your friend one so you can just take them down. Basically, if they're top one, choose the top one and then heist them to take their money so they will get down the ladder. That being said, as you can see, it's just like matching cards. It has, I think, 4, 8, 12 cards here. Please do not choose the corners. As much as possible, people say, or by experience, these two middle part right here has the most chances of winning this ring. Because as you can see here, you have three category. If you match three rings, you get the largest heist. To the two money logo is going to be the large and small heist, of course, for the silver one. And that being said, those are the tips that I can give you to get the most out of it on winning tournaments. And that being said, please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.